Okay, folks, I'm about to show you a video of a fat guy who's actually a crazy guy going nuts, flying in 15 to 20 mile an hour winds, my Bigfoot, trying her out on a four-cell. I'm a nut. Please forgive me. Goodbye.
Alright, folks, this is Crazy Guy Flies RC, or Fat Guy Flies RC, taking Bigfoot up with a four-cell in 15, 20 mile an hour winds, because I'm nuts. Oh, this is not good. Well, yeah, that wind. Yeah, I better land, or try to land this bad boy. Let's take her out here. Yeah, here's what I want to do. Okay, she's standing still. Now there's no kind of gyro. Oh, that was fun. I'm running a Roaring Top 4S in her. Wind is not my friend right now. Well, yeah, this is called crazy here. Trying to keep her out of the sun and away from the club. Got the flag. Oh gosh. I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to push my luck. Come on. Yeah, like I say, she's got no kind of stabilization or anything like that. Whoa. That wind flipped her over. Come on. Oh man, I'm nuts. I am. I'm nuts. My... Oh. Okay, that's it. I'm done. Folks, thank you for watching this crazy guy out here with his planes. It's way too windy to fly these little things, but hey, I am. She did okay on four-cell, I guess. Alright folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Help this fool out. Bye.
See, I told you, a nut in his plane, right? Okay. Well, anytime you're going to take a plane and do crazy stuff like that and fly in the wind, understand you're going to go out like that. There's a chance you might lose your plane. You might lose your pride. You're going to... It was crazy. It was absolutely crazy. So I don't recommend that unless you've got a plane that you're completely comfortable with. And as far as the Bigfoot on four-cell, it did really well. I don't like doing things that what the manufacturer doesn't call for. So proceed in caution when you do those things. Check things over. So that's entirely on y'all. I don't advise it. I'm not saying it's not possible. There is one plane that I know for sure that actually does much better and flies perfectly safely on a 4-cell, and it's called out for a 3-cell, and that is the E-flite Corsair, the F4U Corsair. They're 1.3 meter, 1.2 meter, I believe. It's their $250, $269 Corsair, and it flies really well on a 4-cell. I've flown it many times on 4-cell, and ESC doesn't get hot, motor doesn't get hot, and I'm flying for 5 minutes, and I'm flying her pretty hard, and she comes back, just slightly warm. So there's one where it says 3-cell, does great on a 4-cell. That's my plane. I'm not advising anybody out there, to do these things with your plane. I'm just saying this is what I do with mine. This is what works for me. But anyways, that was a crazy video. That wind was crazy. Thank you for watching, folks. I really appreciate it. This is Fat Guy Flies RC, or Crazy Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.